give. The God giving is not in my dear.
What a handsome boy. We need to help people tactically. So let me give you help. What I have, I will give. And of course, I need to go on ahead so that people will know I am helping. My friends out there, you can see I'm in the street and I'm trying to help a brother. He's blind.
Hey, Scope Etenya.
Yeah! I thought you are blind.
Don't worry, I'm not blind. You are the one that is blind.
I'm trying to help you.
Don't worry, I'll video you. We'll video ourselves. Hello everyone, as you can see, I'm giving him money and I'm still giving him money. He's one that is blind and I'm trying to help him. Nonsense. Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Z. Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Z. Who is this car?
It's one of my car.
Your very car?
Yeah. This is the fourth one.
Scope
More are still coming by the grace of God.
My brother, congratulations now.
We thank God, we thank God.
So,
well, I have somewhere go and we see you. Wait, DJ Fizzy, wait. Take this one for a drink.
My brother, thank you.
Your transport. I will see you.
Thank you now.
12 seconds later.
What did you buy that they have not bought before? Yeah! You even gave me money. I will even throw the money away now. Yeah! Let me throw it in my pocket. Because of another car. I just let me just congratulate you so that no look as if I'm not happy for you. Like fool. Nonsense. My brother, leave the road for me.
My brother, come me. I saw you when you were rejoicing with your brother that bought a car. We know your type. In his front, you are rejoicing. In his back, you are criticizing. Do things in a tactical manner.
Hey, Scope Etenya.
My brother, change.
Alright, thank you for watching that funny video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media so that you don't miss any of our content. We love you. Thank you for all you have done.